Hi! We are back with 5 more amazing Zoom tips and tricks. Want to make meetings more vivid? Tap the share icon, then you can share the entire desktop or any other windows. Hold Ctrl to select multiple windows. Wondering how to share your presentation as background? Click Advanced and PowerPoint as virtual background. Then choose your file. Look! You can also resize and reposition your video. To change slides, simply click on the arrows. While screen sharing, you may want to annotate some key points on the screen. Then try the new vanishing pen feature. Click Annotate. Tap Spotlight on the pop-up menu and choose Vanishing Pen. With it, what you highlight can fade away and you don't need to erase markings. If you are an active participant, giving some reactions can create a relaxing atmosphere. Choose the reactions icon at the bottom of the screen. Select raise hand or give interesting emoji reactions. It is the most practical tip for regular conferences. To avoid team members forgetting meetings or often asking, "Where's the meeting link?" You can schedule recurring meetings. Just tap Schedule in your Zoom and tick Recurring Meeting. Then, based on your choice, the Google Calendar or Outlook desktop will open. Just edit the recurrence frequency and end date. If the meeting is a mandatory event, you may need to check the attendance. Once the meeting ends, you can check relevant information if you are the host. Log into your account on the Zoom web. Select Reports. Usage Reports. Usage. Then, search according to dates and check participants. See? You still get a lot to explore in Zoom. Want to record Zoom without permission? Click here for our next video. Thanks for watching.